三位唔該，
係靚仔靚女，食啲咩啊？
個菜牌。
好。
Did you drink it? 攞滿啦 that's for cleaning.
2,000 years later.
Wow, smell really
Yay.
good. Look at that. Try some fish，微笑年年有余。
Okay.
Some greens. 多生菜
Okay.
Some beef. You definitely need some more nutrition.
Yeah, I think
I
you
see.
need
Oh,
really lots of
okay.
like
Guys,
fresh.
that's enough, guys.
You know, in Foshan at the dining table, people are always trying to share the food with their guests to make them feel welcome.
Yeah, just like family.
人頭飯唔該。
Yum what? That was delicious. Guys, how about we split the bill?
Okay, no, I got it this
Don't
one.
you dare get
What do you
to
mean?
me.
I should be the one to pay.
Guys, what's going on? Why are you fighting? Wow, the level of hospitality, the people are really generous.
It's all about how they show their hospitality.
That's right. Maybe that's why so many of my friends have lived and worked here for so long.
And yeah, as a major city in the Greater Bay Area, Foshan has been rated as one of the happiest cities in China among other 687 cities.
Wow, that's a lot. I've settled down. I found what I was looking for. Laowai, Laowai, wonder why.
Foshanese style.
See you next time.